You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donald, the Peanut, Colonel, Smith, so here we go.
Yes.
Now here's where it gets a little bit lengthy.
Yep.
I got that one.
Yeah.
I did something like that. Yeah.
I did that.
You
didn't know that existed.
We were talking. I got it.
Sure. Guys, this is compound direct object. We covered this with compound elements. Just like you could have just two things that come off of here. In this case, you know Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donder, and Blitzen. And these are all part of the same thing. You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donder and Blitzen.
But you do recall.
I gotta undo that for a second. You do recall. I need some more room.
Namaste.
You do recall
Reindeer?
reindeer.
Famous most? The?
Now, famous. Famous. I'm glad you're here today. Famous. What? How famous? Most famous. Okay? Most famous.
Of all.
Now, where does of all go? It's not an of all reindeer. I think it also talks about how famous. It is famous most of all. So what you actually have here is of all modifying what most? The most of all. You see what I'm saying? So you've got an adverb most being modified by another adverbial participial, or not participial, but prepositional phrase. All right? And then, of course, you'd have to put a big old but right there. You know those guys, but you do recall the most famous reindeer of all. All right? Questions about that one? Second one. So, somebody had something.
Yes.
Oh,
Red nose is a compound adjective. Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer, had a shiny, how shiny? Very shiny nose. You would say what? Direct object then. This is that understood that, remember? You would even say that it glows. Really, you would say it glows. You would even, that's an expletive. You would even say it glows. When would you say that? You saw it. Well, I'll take that back. I think ever is not an expletive. I think when you saw it ever. So if you put it as an expletive, I'd say it. It's okay. No, you would even say.
And
You would even say. And so that I would say that the ever goes with that part. And again, you could also say that that's an expletive that would go up here. Did I miss anything? Okay, Merry Christmas, everybody.